Hey friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more, and also hit that post notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my future videos. And if you want to see how to get this fun rainbow look, then just keep watching. Okay guys, going in with this super vibrant pink, and I am putting that in the crease and blowing it out. And I build up the color until I get the intensity that I want. And I'm going in with this beautiful pastel yellow. Honestly, I went in with like a ton of different eyeliners, but you could totally just go in with a white eyeliner and be done with it. And now I'm going in with the Fade into Hue palette. I'm giving this a second chance, and it definitely performed better this time than it did last time. And the reason why I applied the eyeliners is to create a more intensified pigment instead of just putting the eyeshadows down by themselves. I mean, you see what I mean? That yellow really popped, and same with this orange. So pretty. And I just pat those on and blend everything out every single time that I put on a new shade. And I'm going in with a lip liner this time because I didn't have a red eyeliner. So like I said before, I think if you just go in with a white eyeliner, that would be better, honestly. So just patting out the red eyeshadow. Honestly, it's not even like a red, it's more of like a poppy pink with like a red undertone, and blending everything out. And honestly, this look is so easy. As you can see, it did not take me long at all. You just kind of go back and forth. And then I'm going in with this blue eyeliner, such a beautiful color, and then this Pastel Purple for the lower lash line, and going over top with purple eyeshadow and then a blue eyeshadow. And I'm going in with my favorite liquid liner. This is the KVD Beauty liquid liner in Trooper. And I'm just doing kind of like a tiny wing. And perfecting it. I'm going in with this glitter glue. Honestly, the best glitter glue I've ever tried, and never lets me down. And I'm putting that along where I put the eyeliner. And the star of the show is this beautiful pressed glitter in the Fade into Hue palette. So pretty. And I'm using this Wet n Wild highlighter in Blossom for my brow bone. This is my first time trying the all-nighter face primer, and it did a pretty good job. I'm not a big fan of the consistency of it, but it did a good job. So I'll definitely have to keep trying it out and let you know how I feel about it. But this is my new favorite foundation. I'll have it linked down below, just like everything else that I used. But it stays, and I mean all day. It stays so well with my oily skin. I love it, and it has great full coverage. Going in with one of my favorite concealers from CoverGirl. This is the True Blend. So good. It's very full coverage, but it's lightweight. And I am going in with cream contour. I love this cream contour because it blends out so effortlessly. And I'm applying it in all the places that you would normally contour. And then I'm going in with my absolute favorite cream blush from Jaclyn Cosmetics. Y'all already know it's my absolute favorite. And applying that with a sponge. And y'all, so crazy, this isn't discontinued like I thought it was. This isn't, y'all know this is my favorite powder ever. But now they're selling it full price. But anyways, it's so good, go get it. And then going in with the e.l.f. Contour palette, the powder version, to finish off bronzing. And another one of my favorites, I guess I'm using a lot of favorites in this video, is the Rouge Romance, or Romance Rouge. I know that I just listed it, but anyways. This one is such a good palette. Going in with the Super Shock highlighter in Seismic and MAC Fix Plus. It takes away the powdery finish and kind of like blends everything, makes everything look seamless. And going in with this highlighter from ABH. By the way, ABH stands for Anastasia Beverly Hills, in case you didn't know. And then going in with their mascara. This mascara is actually really good. So if you want to splurge, definitely really good. But if not, y'all know I love drugstore mascaras. And then going in with a vibrant blue mascara on the lower lash line for a little bit of fun, since this is such a colorful look. And then I'm going in, I mean, why not go bold, you know? I mean, we're already going bold on the eyes, why not just go all out, which is what I did. So I'm going in with a red eyeliner, lip liner that I used on my eyes for my lip liner. And then going in with one of my favorite MAC lipsticks, Lady Danger. And my favorite formula too from them. So pretty. And that completes this look, you guys. I hope you loved it. I had so much fun doing it. And I will see you in the next one. Love you guys. Bye.